Guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back today with another video in the case study series, and today we are going to be talking about how to download an app with your Shopify store to translate your website into different languages so that you can reach different cultures, different countries, and just be able to open yourself up to international sales. So remember, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I go live. And you can check out all of my courses and tutorials at gumroad.com/CinquantaCoxsmith. So the website we're going to talk about today is ConveyThis. So here is the website. It's ConveyThis.com. Here is a little bit of information about them, why you should choose it, what it does to small businesses, about the enterprise and government options. Here it tells you all of the sites that they integrate with, which is amazing because most of us use Shopify, but they also have BigCommerce, WooCommerce, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Zendesk, JavaScript, 3D Cart, OpenCart, Salesforce, HubSpot, Freshdesk, CrateJoy, Bubble, and more. So they integrate with lots and lots of websites, right? So then they have their resources, just some information about getting started. They have the help center, and then just, more information that you can use. They have blogs, which will have useful information, their pricing structure, and then how you can contact. So we're going to go ahead and click pricing so you guys can kind of see what you may be entering to, how much it may cost. And then I'm going to show you guys how to upload it on your Shopify store. All right, so the website is coming up. And obviously it looks like they have this on their website here where you can choose which country you would like the web page to be in. So here is the pricing plans. They have a free plan here. So it's 2,500 words a month with the free plan, 1 language. Then they have the business plan, 5 languages, 50,000 words. They have the pro plan, which is 10 languages and $29 a month. Pro plus plan, $99 a month, 20 languages. Okay. So really good pricing, but today we are going to go into Shopify and we are going to go to our apps, and then we're going to choose the App Store, and we're going to find ConveyThis. Okay, once we find the app, we're going to go through the stages of downloading the app and signing up for an account and all of that great stuff, which you would normally do when you find an app that you like. Okay, so in the App Store, we're just going to type in ConveyThis, and then we're going to hit search. I don't think it took just now, so let's try this again. All right, so here's the app. Again, when you go into the App Store, it gives you a little rundown and a little look at what the app does, and then tells you a little bit more. Here is a video about the app as well. So here again, it tells you how it creates a multilingual website. It just attracts global audience, and it just gives you more information about the developer website, their privacy policy, information about how to get in contact with them via phone and email, and then you can get support right here. Also, it goes into a full description, and this is how you would do with any app that you get from the App Store on Shopify, but it just goes into detail exactly about what it does. It says 92 of the most popular languages are supported. 2 minutes installation with no coding required. We love to see it. I love an easy, seamless process when it comes to integrating anything. Again, it tells you easy to install and integrate. This should be quick. It is user-oriented. Appearance is fast and accurate the entire process. And then it just goes into a little bit more details here. You can see an example store, and then they also have media pictures that kind of show you the process. But again, you can go up there and watch the video. Here again, it lays out the prices for you on each of the plans and what is included. And then it has reviews, and they have about 31 5-star reviews, which is good. These 3 people may have just had a bad experience when the app first started, so you can't always go on that, but it's 4.7 reviews. So we're just going to go back up here to the top of the page, and we're going to add the app. Okay, so once you add the app, it'll jump back to your Shopify store to make sure you say, okay, hey, yes, I do want to have this app put on my store, and you just allow the access, which most apps do when you do download it. So we're just waiting on that to come up so we can move on to the next step. Okay, so like I said, it says you're about to install ConveyThis Language Translate, and it's telling you that it will, get into your data a little bit, manage your online store, and we're just going to hit install app. Okay, now it's going to take you into the registration process. And like anything, all you're going to do is go ahead and put in your information, select your plan. I am going to select the free plan. Go down here. So I'm going to select the free plan. Okay, so basically it's saying, hey, you update your plan. This is a free plan. I could get one additional language, 2,500 words translated, and I'm going to hit select plan. Okay, so it's saying I have to create my domain. So this is the domain that I want them to translate on. So I have my sloth laugh. So I'm going to save that. And then it comes up with your settings. So just wait till everything loads. So here it says source language. What is the source current language of your website? So I'm going to drop down menu and I'm going to hit English. So, and now it asks me what target language would I like to choose. So if you know your analytics, you would know, what country you've been, selling to. I've been getting a lot of, orders from Germany, and I get a lot of visits from Germany. So I want to just go ahead and translate, this website into German. Okay. So I'm just going to translate mine into German. And this is kind of what it would show up to for you when it shows on your website. Just like here, it'll say, English and German. All right. So that's how it's going to be previewed on your page. So we've got that part saved and figured out. So we're going to hit save configuration. Okay, so that is saved. So now I'm just going to, go through here and see. So this is my translations. So nothing's there. I'm going to go to the dashboard. So it says I have, 7 days left for my trial, but it's I'm on the free plan. And then it tells me my total translation. So I think here it can help you improve the quality of your page. So you might want to play around with that. But let's see if it has already been installed. So we can check it out on our website. All right, so this is the Sloth Loft, and you see it's already popped up here. So we can hit English, and then we can hit German. So now Sloth Loft is translated in German for anyone who may need to access it in German here. And this is completely translated. Remember, my Sloth Loft store is not open yet, so therefore all you are going to see currently is my landing page, all right? So this again was super simple, super easy. The click of a few buttons, all I did was really, make sure my domain name was correct. And then I decided on what translation that I wanted for my business. And bam, we have a whole translated website that we can do with the click of the button. I'm probably going to go ahead and add this to my other Shopify store as well. So remember, guys, if you want to, make sure that your store can reach international customers and be able to serve them and they understand what you're buying, just like people ask for subtitles here on YouTube. Using ConveyThis will definitely help your customers translate your website to their language so they can understand what you're selling. Because yes, the words on the shirts sometimes are super easy, but sometimes they want to read that description and make sure they're getting the right size. Make sure they're buying a shirt that means what you say it means. So having ConveyThis on your website is definitely going to step your game up, especially for anyone who is just starting a Shopify store. And this is amazing for anyone who has already been seen making international sales in different countries. And now you just want to boost up your revenue in those countries by, getting maybe upgrade the plan to a different, price point than free. So you can make sure that you are catering to those different audience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of ConveyThis in the case study series on how to start your Shopify store, how to make your first sale online. And this is again Shopify for beginners. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.